Okay, let's take a quick look at the textbook. It's just an introduction to your textbook. So you've got the link over here to my textbook, and that takes us to this page, and what we have is introductory statistics with randomization simulation. There's our title of our textbook. If you were to actually get a paper copy from Amazon, which I don't think you really need to, but if you did, I guess it would have a cover like that. So here's where you could download it yourself. You could probably download it just from this direct link as well. But yeah, so if I click direct link there, it opens it up in my case in within the browser, but I could always come over here and do a download, that sort of thing. And so there it is. Along with that, we have where you can download it here. There is a textbook website, and so it brings you here, and notice there's some videos, slides, labs, others, that kind of thing. Things for teachers, but so you click on videos if you wish, and I don't know if it's doing anything or not. Let's see. Oh, maybe. Yeah. So it just updated the page down here, and so here are some different videos. We actually use one or two of them in the preludes. Then here, bunch of stuff on sections 1.1 through 1.7. So I've made videos, but you are absolutely welcome and encouraged to look at these. So there are some videos all the way through the book if you wish to take a look at those as supplements. I don't assign those, but you may wish to look at them. And let's see, so now taking a look at the book itself, we've got our different chapters. Now the first module will go 1.1 through 1.5, second module 1.6 and 1.7, and after that each module will be another chapter. So module 3 is chapter 2, module 4 is chapter 3, and so forth up to module 7, which includes chapter 6, and then our module 8 is the final project. So now a couple features you might want to notice, as well as being able just to go to these and in the exercises. So if I click on the exercises are also nicely marked in that this says 1.8.1, and it says case study. So these exercises all theoretically anyway have to do with section 1.1 over here, case study, and then the next questions are 1.82 data basics, and we see that over here, and it goes through that through the whole thing. So 1.83 overview of data collection principles. So the exercises are tagged to the different sections here, which is nice. If you come down here, there's an appendix on probability. You could always take a look at that. It wouldn't hurt. Again, I don't assign it. But this is kind of nice to know. Clicking down here on Appendix B, end of chapter exercise solutions. So, I don't have you turn in the homework, but I might ask homework type questions, either specific ones or that actually come out of the homework. Now, what could I do? Well, one thing I could do is, here are solutions to 1.1 and 1.3. Well, I'll take section or problem 1.2 and put it on the quiz or something like that. I could do that. But at any rate, I could take 1.3 and put it on the quiz, something with that. Yeah, and but I think you should be aware of this, because that way you can kind of check on some of the problems. Now it looks like for the most part they go through and give the odd answers for almost all of them, it appears. 2.1, 2.3, 2.5, and so forth. So there are a lot, half of them, half of the homework problems anyway, have answers back here. And so I think that's a good thing to know. We will use the distribution tables that are down here at the bottom. There's normal probability table, t-distribution, chi-squared. So we'll end up using those, but we can also use spreadsheets as well. But that's the textbook. I think it's for a free textbook, I think it's extremely nice and has a lot of support out there, again with some videos and all this nice organization within the textbook. So there you go. There is your textbook.